So we get a lot of questions about our goat milk soap and the process to make it. So we were going to do like a video real quick to show y'all how we cut the loaves and then the process for curing them before we package them for selling. So I've got this box right here that I made, and I made it custom to these little silicone molds that we pour the soap in. And they have little holes that we can use to lift them out, and they come out really easy. And then I love these silicone liners because the soap just releases from them so easy. And then I'll take this knife right here and just shave off any of the little, I'm not calling them wings, whatever you want to call them, on the ends right there, just to trim that up. And then I've got a 10-bar soap cutter, which is really nice. And because my molds are 17 inches, I get 16 and a little extra bars out of each mold. So and then I bought these bread trays off eBay years ago, and that's what I use to cure my soap on. And so most of my batches, I make them in 64 bar batches, and these bread trays are right at the amount that I need, where I can fit all 64 bars on one tray. So because we have Airbnbs on our farm, we stock all of them with our own goat milk soap. So we cut these into little sample pieces, and that's what we put in the Airbnbs for the guests to use. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Now that the soap is cut and on the curing rack, what I found works best is letting it sit on these curing racks for about 2 weeks, and then after that I'll take it off. And all these boxes right here, you know, we'll take them and I'll put them in there, and for the next couple weeks I may set the lids off just a little bit where they're loose so they can still breathe, but they'll sit there for another 2 weeks. And I found that that really helps kind of retain the scent of the essential oils in my soaps, and it just keeps them fresh. And then really after that they just go straight to packaging where they're sealed up, and they'll be good for years, retaining that scent. So I hope this helps you on your soap making journey. If you want to see more videos about how we do things on the farm, including making our goat milk soap, be sure to click this video right here.